In recent years, Shark has become a major competitor to Levoit. They've released several great and innovative air purifiers, and in this video, I'll be comparing the Shark HP102 with the Levoit Core 300S. But before we move on, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. At first glance, the Shark HP102 and the Levoit Core 300S seem almost identical and use filters of similar dimensions. However, what stands out is that the Levoit has a nearly 2 times larger CADR. The Shark HP102 is ideal for rooms of up to 124 square feet, while the Levoit Core 300S covers rooms of up to 219 square feet. Both devices use 3-stage filtration technology with filters located at the bottom of the unit. They also share identical features and motors of the same power, but the Levoit distinguishes itself with the option to work with the VSync Smart app. As I've already mentioned, these two air purifiers use a 3-stage filtration technology. Both include a pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and the main filter. Neither produces ozone. They are CARB certified and 100% safe to use. What I like is that both air purifiers have a filter reset indicator that will let you know when it's time to replace the filter, which is approximately once per year for the Shark and up to twice per year for the Levoit. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. What's interesting about the airborne particle removal performance is that we tested both air purifiers in a 194 square foot room. They operated at their maximum speeds for 60 minutes, and we used a temp top laser particle meter to measure the air quality before and after. The Levoit Core 300S improved the air quality by 94%, while the Shark HP102 achieved a 92% improvement. Both delivered outstanding results and demonstrated impressive power, especially the Shark, considering the room we tested was larger than its recommended size. However, the Levoit still performed slightly better. In the following seconds, you'll find out how much time these two devices need to remove all the smoke from the glass box. The first thing I do when comparing the noise levels of two air purifiers is check how many fan speeds they have. In this case, both devices have 4 fan speeds, making the comparison ideal. At the lowest speed, the Levoit Core 300S produces 41.4 dBA of sound, while the Shark HP102 is just slightly louder at 41.7 dBA. However, at maximum speed, the situation changes. The Levoit produces 65.2 dBA, while the Shark is much quieter at 56.5 dBA. Overall, the Shark HP102 has a better optimized motor for noise, but it's important to note that it also has a lower CADR. One interesting aspect when comparing their power usage is that the Levoit Core 300S has a 26-watt motor, while the Shark HP102 has a 24-watt motor. Yet the Shark is almost half as powerful as the Levoit. If you were to use both devices at maximum speed 24 hours a day for 1 month, your electricity bill would increase by about $1.80 for the Shark and around $2.01 for the Levoit. Additionally, replacement filters for the Shark tend to last slightly longer, but they are significantly more expensive than those for the Levoit, making the Levoit Core 300S more affordable overall in terms of maintenance. This was truly a close comparison, especially given the similar performance in our particle removal tests. I'd say the Shark HP102 is an ideal air purifier for rooms like the bedroom, thanks to its better optimized motor. However, for most other situations, I would definitely choose the Levoit Core 300S. It offers superior performance, more advanced features, and is more affordable to maintain. If you have any questions about these two air purifiers, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.